In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voting on cards in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is a great tool for managing projects, and adding a voting feature can really help your team make decisions collaboratively. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log in and open your board. Open your browser and navigate to the Trello homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, find the specific board where you want to enable the voting feature. Just keep in mind that voting is turned on for each board individually, so make sure you're in the right place. Once your board is open, we're going to add the voting power-up. Now, if you look toward the top right corner of your board, you'll see an option labeled Power-Ups. Click on that and a panel should open up. In this panel, you'll see an option that says Add Power-Ups. Click on that to enter the marketplace. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You'll want to click inside the search field at the top. Type in voting and hit enter. This should bring up a list of results, and you'll be looking for the official voting power-up. Once you find it, click on it to open up its details. This will give you a little more information about what the power-up does and how it works. To enable it on your board, just find and click the Add button. Once it's added, you can close the Power-Ups window. Simple as that. Now, you have made the voting feature available on your Trello board. Next, let's test it out by casting a vote. Open any card on your board that you'd like to experiment with. This could be a task, an idea, or anything else where you'd like to gather opinions. Inside the card, look for the Vote option, which you'll find in the right-hand menu area within the card details. Once you see the Vote option, just click on Vote to add your input. And that's it. You've successfully enabled voting on your Trello cards and even cast your first vote. This feature can help you and your team prioritize tasks based on everyone's input, making your project management even more effective. Remember, you can view the votes as they come in on each card, which will help in making decisions down the line. It's a very straightforward process that encourages collaboration and can make your meetings or discussions more productive. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to enable voting on cards in Trello. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more tips and tricks to enhance your Trello experience. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.